How to send money from Remitly to bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can send money from Remitly to your bank account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to send money from Remitly to your bank account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all, just make sure to launch the Remitly application as you can find it here. Once you launch the Remitly app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where by default you're going to be under the home page, and then you'll be able to see all of the transactions and everything that you can make on the summary page. Once you're on this page, just tap the get started option over here. Once you tap the get started option, you can say it'll take me to the send money page as you can see. So first of all, select how much USD you want to send and then how much they are going to receive, and make sure that you've chosen a specific country properly first in this case. Now you can choose a delivery speed, which means an express delivery or an economy delivery. You can directly pay with your bank account here and then just tap on continue. Once you do that, on the next page you can see how would you like the money delivered. You want to deposit into the bank, so just tap on bank deposit. Now here you can select all of the banks that are available in that specific country and then just go ahead and select that option here. Once you select the bank, you simply need to make sure to enter the bank account number and then just hit the next option. It allows you to enter the amount and also fill in the payment details as well, and then after that your money will be successfully sent from Remitly to a bank account. You can initiate a bank transfer to any of the other countries as well. This way you can go ahead and then basically send money from Remitly to bank account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.